super microcomputer. A contrarian AI play. Super microcomputer is a contrarian AI play.
Ah, yes.
I'm from the team. So, super micro? What does it do? Well, it makes server motherboards essentially the brains of data center. And while it might not have the sexiest products, it is at the forefront of the AI revolution. You see, when companies like NVIDIA and AMD produce chips, they don't actually make the servers where those chips go. That's what Supermicro does. They provide the platform for NVIDIA's AI to run on. In fact, they so important that they one of only 2 companies that NVIDIA will train its large language model on. The other one being Microsoft. So given how critical Supermicro is to the AI supply chain, why is it that investors haven't really taken notice of the stock until recently? Well, it is because the company has been around for quite some time, and it has been growing all that much in the past few years. But that is changing with the advent of AI. You see, when ChatGPT came out, everyone was rushing to buy NVIDIA because they were a key enabler of AI. However, as we mentioned in our previous video, the entire AI industry is built on a foundation of hardware and software that already exists. And Supermicro is at the center of this existing infrastructure. While NVIDIA is still a great investment, Supermicro is a way to play AI without having to pay the high price tag that comes with investing in a company like NVIDIA. In fact, Supermicro is cheaper than NVIDIA by almost 10. It also helps that Supermicro has very little competition. Its main competitors are Dell and HPE, but they don't really compete on the high end. Most of their products cater to smaller businesses. Meanwhile, Supermicro caters to hyperscalers like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. These are the big players in the cloud computing space. They're the ones who have the massive data centers and the big budgets to match. It's these customers that Supermicro needs to keep happy if it wants to continue growing. And it's not just the AI revolution that's helping Supermicro grow. The company is also benefiting from another trend we talked about in our previous video, the move towards efficiency. You see, as data centers get bigger and more powerful, they also become less efficient. This is because the servers inside of them generate a lot of heat, and it costs a lot of money to cool all that heat. But Supermicro is working on ways to make its servers more efficient, which is not only good for the environment, but also good for business. One of their newest products is the Twin Pro, which uses liquid to cool servers. This is a big deal because it could help data centers use less energy and save money at the same time. Now, Supermicro isn't the only company working on this, but it is one of the first to market with this technology. So it has a chance to capture a large share of the market. And that's why I think Supermicro is a stock that investors should be paying attention to. It's a small company with a big opportunity in front of it. And I think it is one of the best bets for investors who want to play the AI revolution without having to pay the high price tag that comes with investing in companies like NVIDIA. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and check out our community where we post our entire investment thesis and our stock picks before we make them public on the channel.